Hi everyone. So today I'm going to take you through the TedEd platform. At the top, as you can see, I have typed in ed.ted.com and it has taken me to this screen. It is a platform which provides you access to a very good quality videos and also lesson plans. You can customize those lesson plans or make new lesson plans for yourself using the videos which are available on this. You can explore this platform either on your mobile phone or on your laptop or computer. Some of the features might not be available on your mobile phone. For this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on this platform. And I've also kept my Gmail account open simultaneously. We might need access to that, so I'll recommend you to keep that open as well. So let's get started. On the top, I can see the option to register, so I'm going to click on that. Now over here, I'll enter my email address. You need to enter your own email address and I'll click on continue. I need to create a password as well so that I can get started over here. So I'll type anything that I want and I'll click on continue. I need to give some additional information. So I'll just write my first name and my last name and continue. They have sent me an email to my account which I'll have to go to confirm and then click continue. I can give more information over here as well. So since I'm an educator, I'll select educator. I can select the subjects that I teach. So maybe I teach literature, I teach maths, I teach science and others. I can also select the age groups that I teach. I can click on these options and then continue to TedEd. Now as you can see, I've successfully created an account on TedEd platform. There are many features of this platform which we'll be exploring in our next videos. Please keep watching. Thank you for being a part of it.